Do you want to find out your level of English? Hi, I am Miss Carolina, and you are watching the English with Us channel. Today, we will look at 6 readings from a basic level to an advanced level. We will follow the Common European Framework of Reference, CEFR. This framework divides your knowledge of English into 6 levels, A1 and A2, B1 and B2, C1 and C2. In the chart, you can see the description of each level. This video will focus on level A1, a basic ability to communicate and exchange information in a simple way. Example: can ask simple questions about a menu and understand simple answers. Is that your level? Let's read. Here's the text, level A1. Sophie is 11 years old and she lives in Brighton, England. She usually gets up at 7:45. She has a shower, gets dressed, and then she brushes her teeth. After that, she goes downstairs and has breakfast. For breakfast, she usually has milk, toast, and orange juice. Then she brushes her teeth again because she likes them white and healthy. Then she grabs her school bag and goes to the bus stop to catch the school bus. Classes start at 8:30 and finish at 4:30. She usually has lunch at school with her schoolmates at about 12 o'clock. Her best friend is Amy, and Sophie always sits next to her at lunch. After school, she returns home and does her homework. She's a very hard-working student, and she never misses a school task. After homework, she usually listens to music and watches television a bit. At 7:30, it is time for dinner. Then she usually reads a book or chats with her parents for a while. Finally, she goes to bed at about 10 o'clock. But before that, she brushes her teeth. Sophie is a happy little girl. That's it. How did you do? You can look at this checklist to know if you are a level A1 English learner. Let's see. Question number 1. Do I understand 90% of the text? Check. Number 2. Can I imagine the meaning of the 10% that I don't understand? Check. Number 3. Can I answer questions about the story? Check. And number 4. Can I tell the story in my own words? Check. If you marked check on all 4 points, your level is A1. If this was too easy for you, check my next video for level A2. Cheers!